Hey, gorgeous ones. Hey, gorgeous ones. All right, so I'm going to start doing these, and I think I'm going to call them what I don't give a damn about. I don't give a damn about. And I don't know. I'm working on the title, but basically it's about things that I don't give a damn about in the beauty community, just in general. Now, let me tell you how this is going to work. It's kind of like a anti-haul vibe, but also just about, you know, especially when you immerse yourself in like YouTube and all of that, you just see some stuff and you just be like, you know what, I don't give a damn about that shit. So it's kind of like the kind of videos I don't want to see, or just in general shit that I'm, noticing. So here we go. This is going to be my anti-haulish, damn, y'all could leave that shit alone. I'm just ready for some different stuff to be talked about. All right, so if you would like to see my thoughts on this, or what it's actually going to wind up being, stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so let's just talk about some things that I just don't give a damn about. First off, I'm going to talk about a few products that, is kind of getting hyped, and I'm just like, whatever. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about is just a whole collection. Too Faced, the unicorn is farting out rainbows while the mermaids sing sweet nothings in the sea. You know what I'm talking about, the unicorn festival collection crap. It's first off, it's overkill. And I think like the unicorn, whole trend is pretty much gone and dead. And so it's just, come on, Too Faced, you're just doing too much. All this rainbow holographic glitter, unicorny stuff. Let's just let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go. All right. And the other thing is any lipstick. Like now, Becca has this lip-tuitive lip gloss, whatever it is. And Lipstick Queen has done it too. And I saw somebody else doing it too. And I can't remember who. But those lipstick lip glosses that are supposedly, they're going to, create a pink color that is, based on your body chemistry and everything. Y'all need to stop believing that damn lie. Please stop believing that lie. You know what it's going to be? It's just going to be pink fucking lipstick on your lips. It's not going to be special. It's not going to look different. And how can they prove that? You're going to have it. So you're going to think, oh, it's so special to me. How many people you going to know who going to have that lipstick? So then y'all can compare it. Does the pink look different on me? Does the pink look different on you? You know why it looks a little different? Because it's sheer enough to deal with your lip color underneath. Because some people, like me, I have a pretty deep color on my lips. My lips are pretty deep. So yeah, my pink will probably look different if it's this little sheer thing with a little wash of pink. Give me a break. Stop following. And especially do y'all see these lights back here? What's going on? Anyway, it sounds like something going on. As long as it ain't on my block, we good. All right. Isn't that like crazy? Like sometimes with like fire. I remember there was a fire in the building next to me when I was a kid, and I woke up and I'm like, fires. And it was like, oh my God, the building right next to me where that we were attached was on fire. So I had to run out the house. But okay, anyway, now that we've gone through that little moment in my life. No, but seriously, especially at $25. That's like a mood lipstick. You go to the beauty supply and get one of those for like $2. No, do not buy into the hype. So let's say another thing I don't give a damn about is this damn naked petite heat. And I'm seeing it everywhere. Everybody's talking about it, but I don't even know why we're making it relevant. And the reason why I say that is because the damn naked heat is only not even a year old yet. The damn thing just came out last summer. And now all of a sudden Urban Decay comes out with this little mini version of it. And guess what, y'all? It's the exact same thing as that. It's just matte. They didn't even do the right thing with it by giving us more heat colors. They basically mimicked that whole damn thing in a smaller size. So no. And I think that I don't give a damn. And I think that the conversation should just be no, Urban Decay. We ain't that stupid. That's what the damn conversation should be. And so if you have it, don't you dare go out about that, go and get that petite heat thing. Now, if you don't have it, I'm going to tell you, if you have the money, go and get the big one, because then you're going to get the mattes that are in that petite heat, and you're going to get some shimmers. So I'm just saying, don't buy into the silliness. I don't give a damn about it. Don't y'all try me in Urban Decay. Y'all almost got me, because I was like, ooh, a petite heat. Ooh, it's going to have some different colors. And then it looked the damn same. No, 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 no. I don't give a damn about that product. It's out of here. You know what I really don't give a damn about right now? Nicole Richie. Why am I seeing Nicole Richie all over the fucking place? On people, all these beauty gurus are doing things with Nicole Richie. And why did Urban Decay pick her out? I mean, I'm like, Nicole Richie? She ain't been relevant since what, 2004, 2005? She's not even a B-lister. She's like a G-list celebrity. I mean, really, why? And I get it, because folks are getting paid to deal with her and kiki with her ass. But I need us to all stop watching that. I know some people are going back, oh, Nicole Richie. But I mean, really, she ain't been relevant since the Simple Life days with her and Paris Hilton. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to need everybody. I'm going to need to stop seeing Nicole Richie. And I know y'all getting paid to hang out with her. But, and I'm going to say this, Urban Decay, could y'all, I mean, if y'all going to pull somebody out the motherfucking woodwork, could y'all get somebody that's at least more interesting? I mean, really, Nicole Richie wasn't even interesting. She was a sidekick, for God's sakes. I mean, if you're going to bring one of them back, you should have got Paris Hilton. At least she was the wilder one, who was actually the one that was really popular. Nicole was her fucking sidekick. Really? I really don't give a damn about that. Every time I see her come in my feed, I just go, y'all joking. Not interested. Boom. That's one of the best things that YouTube ever added, was that not interested to videos. All right. All right. So now let's talk about a few things in the beauty community sphere that I'm just like kind of tired of, and I just don't give a damn about. I know that there's this whole thing on YouTube because you're trying to get views, and you know, something becomes popular, and so then everybody has to do it. I promise you, that shit is so annoying, because then your whole feed becomes that thing that everybody's trying to do to be relevant. I do enjoy some of it, but it's like when it becomes overkill, it's like, stop now. I mean, like, I love an anti-haul. And I find anti-hauls interesting. But like for instance, now everybody's doing I tried to do such and such a tutorial, and they all make it to look like, oh my God, I couldn't do it. Oh, it's so hard. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know, because who was it? Thomas Halbert did his. And because I actually watched it. It was fun. It was funny. So now everybody's trying to do it and mimic the way he did it. And it's like, could y'all please stop? Could y'all please stop it? Thank you. Okay, another thing I don't give a damn about. I don't give a damn about beauty gurus' friendships and the breakup of their friendships. And are they still friends? And what are they doing in their personal lives? I just don't care about beauty gurus' personal lives. I just really don't. And the reason why I don't is because it ain't my fucking personal life. So why should I give a damn about their personal life? It doesn't affect me. And I think that this whole, and let me say this, beauty gurus, perhaps if you didn't put all your fucking personal life on display, then you wouldn't have so many people critiquing it, telling you what you need to be doing, questioning you, and getting all upset with you. I'm just trying to tell you the truth, Ruth. Okay, so I just don't really care about those things. So I don't want to see it. And I know the drama channels get off on it, but I don't even want to hear other beauty people talking about that kind of stuff. Because it's just like, no, let it go. Okay. And then this is what I'm also tired of. I am tired of the people in the beauty community on YouTube discussing how the beauty community has changed and it's so terrible and everything. Stop whining. Let me tell you why I say stop whining. Because life is about change. And when change happens, there's this point where it becomes a little painful. There's pain in change. But change is inevitable. So yes, YouTube beauty videos used to be like this. But now they've changed, and the look of the people have changed. It surely has. However, the change is inevitable because it has grown immensely. So therefore, there's going to be other voices. There's going to be other opinions. There's going to be people who are just jackasses. It is what it is. So what you have to do is navigate the change and find your space in the change, because there is no reason to let those changes and the things that are happening change you or your agenda or your aesthetic or any of that. So stop talking about the change. It's okay. And the thing is with YouTube and the internet is ever changing. New people are coming in. Old people are leaving. That's what it's about. So stop talking about it. It's okay. Just navigate the change the best way you can and keep it moving and keep doing your beauty, your channel the way you choose to. And don't let anything about this bother you so much that you feel the need to gripe about it all the time. It's unnecessary. Maybe I come from a different place because I'm 50. And so I understand that life is about change. And sometimes change is painful as fuck. I understand that. So therefore, I'm okay with it. And I think when you're young, you don't think younger. You know, I remember those days where it was hard to deal with change because you want things to be the way you like them. Well, guess what? That ain't what life is. And the stronger person and the person who survives the change understands how to move through the change and get to the other side. So I say to you, especially as smaller people, especially the smaller ones, just work on getting to the other side. Don't worry about what the fuck's going on now, because the other side is going to give you what you need. All right, so I done gone on for a little bit. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments on what I would love to hear what you don't give a damn about in the beauty community. What products, anything that you don't give a damn about. I would love to hear about it, because that might be another subject I need to talk about. But anyway, and if you're new, let me just explain this to you. If you made it this far, I'm going to need you to go on and hit that subscribe button, because it's just the polite thing to do. If you come in somebody's home and you leave and don't say nothing to them, don't leave, that's just rude. So go ahead on your way out, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I upload all the time. I can't even tell you my schedule because I don't fucking know it, but it's at least 3 times a week. All right, it's your LuuLuu. May you have a great day, and may life treat you kind. Bye-bye.